So because I haven't touched my hair in a while, I decided to start off by deep conditioning my hair using the KingKristineee deep conditioning mask. I've actually used this before and it worked really good with my hair, so I just decided to use this mask. I left it on for about 5 minutes and I sprayed water before applying it just to make it easier to detangle and allow the product to be evenly distributed throughout my hair. What I like about this product is that it smells good, but it is also very thick. A lot of the masks that I have used in the past are kind of like watered down, so I really like that it's thick, and it also makes my hair feel very soft after using it. I forgot to mention that I washed my hair the night before, so I did start off with freshly washed hair. No products whatsoever was in my hair at all. But anyways, I decided to pick up this conditioner that I've been seeing a lot of people rave about, and it is the Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner. I'm not really a big fan of how Aussie smells. I mean, it smells okay, but it kind of gives me a headache. This was infused with coconut and jojoba oil, which I love. I love jojoba oil. It just works really good with my hair. So I decided to co-wash with this, and then I rinsed it completely out. So the next thing I decided to try was the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask in Coconut. I really loved how this smelled. It smelled like a pina colada. It just smelled so tropical, and it just smelled really good. But I have tried the avocado one. I actually like that one better because it just tends to my frizz more, and it helps tame my curls a little bit more. But it was also a good product. I liked it. I'll probably use it again. So the next product that I decided to try was the KingKristineee Coconut Curling Cream. I really love KingKristineee products because they're very thick and very moisturizing, but they don't weigh my hair down, so I really like that. I just apply this for more definition. After I applied the product, I went ahead and took my detangling comb and I just went through my hair to make sure that my curls were more defined. I decided to apply this Urban Hydration Jamaican Castor Oil and Avocado Coconut Oil Styling Gel. That is such a long name, but I decided to try this because I've never heard of Urban Hydration. I actually found this at Marshall's. I like this gel. It's very thick, but what I realized is a little goes a long way. Once my hair dried, where I put a lot of it, it tended to cake up. What I also liked about it was that it didn't flake when I applied it with my conditioner or with the other products in my hair. That usually happens, but it didn't. I wish I would have brushed through my hair with it in my hair. I was just a little scared because it was too thick, but I think that would have been really good because I noticed that it was kind of patchy. So once my hair was completely dry, I just took a pick and I began to fluff out my hair to my liking. I also took some oil and put that on my hands just so when I touched my hair, I wasn't creating more frizz since my hair is already a little bit frizzy. But yeah, I actually liked how my hair came out. I hope you guys liked how my hair came out. And yeah, thank you for watching.